And we're birding. J. Reed Birding is in Missouri today, just north of Kansas City, Platte County, Smithville Lake Park. Looking for Bonapartes and Franklin gull. It's windy, but I'm already hearing birds. No gulls. There are gulls. Pretty far out. I didn't bring my scope. This is an idiot move. Always bring your scope. All the ones I see from far out look like they're probably ring-billed gulls. Keep trying. Switched up over by the dam. Saw 5 small black-headed gulls flying. Couldn't tell the difference. I'm not that good at them yet. But they are here. Struck out at the dam so far. About 5 to 10 ring-billed gulls and a whole bunch of ruddy duck. I took a bunch of pictures of a raft just a little too far out. Clearly see ruddy duck, clearly see gadwall. Hey, it's a gull. Ring-billed. I think I saw ring-neck ducks, possibly one mallard. Hopefully I can zoom in on the pictures. That's enough talk. I saw a bunch of gulls at another spot down the lake, so by the time I get there, they'll probably be gone. Crow's Creek shelter area. I don't see hardly any gulls. Try to pick this place from looking on the other side of the lake by the dam. There's a great blue heron flying in. Boom. There. But now I don't see any gulls, so I'm wondering if they're on the other side of this little finger there. So there's a couple. We'll give it a shot. I was wrong about this county. This is Clay County, not Platte County. I don't know why I thought Platte, but look for gulls. Talked to another birder, and he said beginning of October they had like 28,000 Franklins and Bonapartes, so missed them. Picked up white-throated sparrow at this stop, and we're running out of time. So I'm gonna head over to the original spot. I'll just try for it. I'll have to do some investigation when I get back to the hotel room. But I think I might have picked up 20 American avocet, 20-ish, right by the American white pelicans. So yeah, I got Carolina wren, no Franklin's or Bonaparte skulls. All right, I'll make this quick because it's windy. I'm trying to shield with the car, but you're on a lake, it happens. Didn't get any of the birds I was trying for today, but there were some cool birds here and some new county birds, obviously, hopefully some new state birds. So I will do it again tomorrow.